This is a 2003 Honda Civic, and what happened is we replaced the battery because we thought the battery was bad. So after we got the new battery and put in, it still won't start up the next day. The reason why is the brake switch is always on, so that's why it's draining the battery. So if you go in the back, you can see the light is on up. So see, I'm in the back, you can see the light is still on. See, it's still on. So what you're gonna do is you can go down here and check the brake switch area. So I'm underneath the car now, and when you step on the brake pedal, you look up, you can see the part where it's moving. This part here. So this part here is worn out, or sometimes it come off. So that's why it's not pressing on it. Let me get it. Let me take it out and show you what you mean. So once you take it out, you can see that it's worn out. It's pushed down. You know, but sometimes this didn't come off and break off, and the light stay on all the time, and it just drain your battery. But this one is just worn out, and you can get one from Amazon pretty cheap. For now, I'm just gonna put a screw in there just for a couple of days into the new part come. So I'm going to use this just for a temp. So I'm gonna put this through the hole, and this one's gonna be in the bottom just to tighten it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in like this. See, right now it's pressing on it. See it? So before it wasn't pushing on it. So what I'm gonna do is use this other 10 just to hold it on. So I'm gonna use this 10 here and put it in the back here and just tighten it. So I got the 10 in ready, so now it's working fine, like how it's supposed to. But I'm gonna try like this for a week until the new part come in, and that's it.